Okay, we will move to our third award, meaning. Meaning at work. Arguably, meaning and purpose are the big plus for mankind today. Today, it drives individual motivation like little else. It is not just a millennial ask, but one that is relevant across organizations. In fact, the number of business leaders that, hum sab ki umar ho gayi hai ab, and the number of times we sit and talk to each other about there being real meaning and what those drivers are. So clearly, when these awards were being conceptualized, and as jury, we talked about it, meaning at work was clearly a core driver of the new code of work that had to be recognized and rewarded. We had a number of entries in this, so many in the shortlist, and for all the differences in sectoral context and by size of enterprise, the parallels across each of these entries were and are amazing. So you will find them in the compendium, and I think you will agree with me, when I say this. To give away this award, I'm delighted to invite my friend, philosopher, and guide, Deep Kalra. Deep has built an amazing business, and through this process, his sheer humility, his ability to continue learning, and most of all, the fact that he's driven by meaning himself is what makes you the right guy to do this. All yours.
Good evening, everyone. It's such a delight to be here, and what a turnout. I was a little worried. I did tell Radha and other members of the jury, it's the first time you're doing a very unique, very different kind of award. It's telling Pankaj the same thing, and I hope, people appreciate it, people really understand where we are coming from. So what excited me about being part of this, besides being a friend of Radha's, a friend to Pankaj, and full disclosure, I don't even think Pankaj knows this, but thanks to Renuka and multiples, I might be a tiny bit investor somewhere in People Strong, but I'm not here because of that. I'm here because of Radha, and I'm here because of Pankaj. But I'm also here because of the kind of award. Renuka rightfully said, we invest in people. I think everyone out here would nod their head. There are many friends, like when you invest in people. Like Santrup said, it wasn't an investment for money. You know what we say when a lot of times one goes out to speak about entrepreneurship and what makes it happen, or why has Make My Trip worked out. And honestly, hand on heart, for me, it's of course always been about the people, but it's also been about what the people feel. Hopefully every day they come to work. Hopefully every day. If not every day, I do tell people at least every week, when you come back on a Monday, you've got to come back with some purpose. You've got to come back with some feeling, and the spring in the step is only going to come because you're feeling something from within. So the meaning at work is really a tough one. It is something which I think you feel when you get into an organization. People walk into companies and they say, we feel a different aura out here. We feel something. It's the thing when you talk to anyone in the company, literally anyone in the company, and they'll be saying almost similar kind of stuff like, what makes this company buzz? And people were saying, I can come here and take massive risks. I can do anything. I'm encouraged to play on the front foot, stuff like that. And that, that I think really comes down to, all of it comes down to meaning at work. So I'm actually delighted on behalf of the jury to give this award to a company which I think has been in the throes of a whirlpool of activity. The industry has been in a lot of tumult even. And yet they're coming out not only strong winners today, but what we felt is that they're very well positioned for the future. And because of many practices that they've put into place, they have among the lowest attrition rate in an industry, which is my hint, which is the media industry, which is probably one of the toughest ones to hold on to good people. But this company seems to have done it all. So on behalf of the jury, I announce the winner of the new Code of Meaning at Work to Sony Pictures Networks India. I request Manu Narang Vadva, CHRO, to come and take the award.
Well, to receive an honor for something which is my personal value I hold closest to my heart, which is meaning at work and being purposeful, it's a delight. And I thank People Strong, Reeboks, the entire jury led by Radha. And to receive it from Deep, I think adds to the flavor because yours is one organization which exhibits it every single day when we look at it. Everybody at Sony Pictures Networks believes that when passion is connected to what they do in the organization, magic happens. And this has really been our mantra. We bring magic by making sure that every individual who comes in to work, the moment they get into the lift, their ignition happens because their dream, which they had, is converting into reality because that's what the magic which they're bringing to you. So on behalf of Mr. N.P. Singh, and the entire family of SPN, I thank you, and we take this back with pride.